Hi guys, this is Branson here with Animal Jam, and today is uh, a video about what I am going to be doing. This is an update video, and yeah, make sure to smash that like button, and hope you enjoy. So today I'm going to be showing you a code to get diamonds. It's 12. So I'm going to log out right here. Log out, okay. Okay, now you want to go on player login, you want to type in your information, click I have a code to enter. You put 12. See, I've already done it, so it won't work. So, it should work for y'all. This is no joke, guys. It really works. And here's a code for 500 gems. It's Explorer, right there. I've already done that, but I don't think I actually have, so let me check. Yeah, see, I haven't done this code yet, so it should give you 500 gems, and it's very useful for whatever you... Oh yes, I'm sorry guys, I have done this, this code, so, but I will not be on making any videos on Animal Jam, cause I just don't think it's that much fun anymore. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this is all I wanted to show for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.